Guys, WLToys have kindly asked me to review this. It's the WLToys 144002 monster truck. We're gonna test it out and see what it's saying. Get a charger and a manual and a wheel wrench. These are the lipos, 1500 milliamps, 2-cell, 25C. Your transmitter. Let's do a little drop test, shock test. Suspension's nice and soft, runs on your normal WLToys standard chassis. If you want to read on the full description of this car, guys, check the link down below. Oh, it's got some lights there, guys. Here's your standard WLToys setup. Let's get it out and test it. Backflip check. Oh! Oh! Ready? Going back, trying to get control. Mad team, guys. Yo guys, so we're out here and we're gonna speed test the hard, yeah? So let's speed test it. We've got the clocks on there. There's the clocks. We're gonna track, start. Yeah. Let's read in. This is 2-cell, guys. 2-cell. There it goes. Oh, it took the grass as well. There it goes. Dog chase. Dog chase. Alright, cool. Let's test the speed up. Right, let's stop it. Read. Ooh, 27 miles an hour. 27 miles an hour. Let's see what it does across the grass. Well, it works on the grass, guys, look. It works pretty good. Yes, look at it. Oi! Handle's wicked. Oh, nearly tumbled. Ocean. Here it comes. Handle's pretty alright, guys. Ready? Go. takes it. Here it comes. That was a jump. Woo, woo, woo. There it goes. Saw that backflip. No fluke down there, guys, once again. Oh, 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 oh.